Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello everyone, welcome to the English Academy. Today we will learn synonyms of beautiful. Let's start. Listen and repeat after me. Graceful, graceful. Cute, cute. Elegant, elegant. Decent, decent. Stunning, stunning. Appealing, appealing. Marvelous, marvelous. Good looking, good looking. Fine, fine. Nice looking, nice looking. Dazzling, dazzling. Attractive, attractive. Delicate, delicate. Charming, charming. Admirable, admirable. Lovely, lovely. Beauteous, beauteous. Prepossessing, prepossessing. Pretty, pretty. Nice, nice. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Superb, superb. Handsome, handsome. Wonderful, wonderful. Alluring, alluring. Admirable, admirable. Pleasing, pleasing. Splendid, splendid. Lovely, lovely. Let's repeat. Graceful, cute. Elegant, decent. Stunning, appealing. Marvelous, good looking. Fine, nice looking. Dazzling, attractive. Delicate, charming. Admirable, lovely. Beauteous, prepossessing. Pretty, nice. Gorgeous, superb. Handsome, wonderful. Alluring, admirable. Pleasing, splendid, lovely. I hope you have learned something new today. Have a nice day. Ma'as salama.